In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the live sales pop-up notification module. The live sales pop-up notification module allows you to show real-time notification of sales in your store. This is to encourage your customers, especially new customers, to order your products. So to set up the module, we are going to navigate to the store management section here and select settings. So under settings, we select modules. In the modules page, we go ahead and select the store design category. So here we search for the live sales pop-up notification. So you can see the module here. The next thing we do is we go ahead and click on the install button. Alright, so once the module is installed, you see it opens the settings page. So the first thing we do is we go ahead and select enabled option here and then save. Alright, so now that we've enabled the module, we can go through the various sections under the settings menu. So here we have the time duration. This will specify the length of time that the module will show in the storefront pages. So we can leave the default settings as it is. Under the display section here, we can adjust the physical characteristics of the pop-up notification window. So we leave the default settings. We are not changing anything here. For the color and size, so here we adjust the color of the notification window. For the background color, we set it as let's say we set it as let's say green. All right, set this to as green. Set this as green. For the text color, we set it as white. Set the link color as white. Set the close button color as white as well. So this is just an example. So take note that you need to ensure that you set this in line with your store themes color. So once we have set the color, we can adjust the border radius and shadow size, but we'll leave it as it is. So this section allows us to enable the close button for the notification window. So we select yes here. We leave this option as 0. So what this means is that the pop-up notification will display anytime the customer visits a storefront page. For the position here, we can adjust the position of the notification window. So for this, the desktop view, we select bottom left, right? So that means it will show in the bottom left section somewhere here in the storefront. So we leave all these other settings, we leave the default settings. For the mobile view, we select the notification window position as bottom, and then we leave all the default values here and then proceed. So in the next section, we select content settings. So in the content settings section, here we can specify the contents that will show in the pop-up window. So we can adjust this default text here and also add any of these available shortcodes into the content lines here. So for this example, we won't change this, but We'll change it later after we've saved, so but let's leave it as it is here. Moving on to the next section, in the other settings section, here we can set up the order sequence for the orders that will show in the notification pop-up window. You can also select loop, and here, this is very important, here we can specify the orders that will show based on their order status. So if we want all orders that the order status is currently set as processing to show in the pop-up window, we select it here. We can also select additional statuses. So select shipped, select awaiting payment, and then we select pending. So these are the other statuses that orders must reach before the order is included in the pop-up notification window. So once we have set up this section, we go ahead, go back and check if everything is fine with the other sections. So we can now proceed to save, right? So now that we have saved, we've completed the setup of the module. So the next thing we have to do to enable the module to show in the storefront section is we go ahead and add it to the storefront page layout. So to do that, we have to open the theme layout designer. So to open the theme layout designer, we proceed to the store management section here, select settings, and select themes. So here we are going to edit the store theme. So we go ahead and select edit here. So you take note of the store active theme. So currently the store is using the expression theme. To customize this theme, we go ahead and click on the customize theme button here. And then in the theme preview interactive page, we click on the menu and select layout designer here. So we wait for the page to load. So once the page loads, we are going to add the live sales pop-up notification module to the homepage layout. So to do that, we come here, we select the homepage option here, and then once we select it, we scroll down. So we are adding the module to the bottom section of the homepage layout. So we come here and search for the live sales pop-up notification. So this is it. So we go ahead and drag it to this section here. So once we've added it, we save. All right, so now we've saved, we've added the module to the homepage layout. So for us to see this in action, we proceed to the storefront. So let's go ahead and open the storefront window here. All right. So once we open the storefront window, we can now proceed and edit this again. So let's edit it. So you can see this is the settings that we had done earlier. So we proceed to the duration section here. We can change this. So let's change it to 0 so that it will show all the time, and then save. So once you've saved, we close it. So let's come back to the storefront page. We refresh the page. So you can see it here now. So this is it. So this is the live sales notification window. As you can see, it's now active in the home page layout. All right. In this video, I've shown you how to set up the live sales pop-up notification module. Thank you for watching.